Hey guys, Paul here with REI Hacks. Just wanted to go make this video, do a quick review of the service that I found through, I think it was either the Real Estate Guys podcast or maybe Real Estate Uncensored, but they mentioned send out cards in one of their podcasts. I thought it was a pretty cool idea. It did take me a couple months to go ahead and leap forward with the service and start using it. So I sent out a test card last Sunday. I signed up for the service, started sending out cards. They were fulfilled on Monday, and I sent a card to myself. Well, actually, I sent it to my fiance, just saying, with a picture of us, just saying, like, hey, we're engaged, even though we've been engaged for over a year and a half now. We'll get there eventually. The card looks really awesome. It did take and blow up the picture on the card, so it's kind of a little grainy, but from far away it looks pretty darn good. The print is very clear, and I sent this out on Sunday. I set up the order for the card. It arrived Saturday, so within 5 to 6 business days, it was in the mailbox, addressed to her, and it had our return address on it as well for the business. This is a service I'm going to go ahead and recommend. I'm starting to send these out to pre-foreclosure lists, for sale by owners, and I'll figure out some other things too. I'm probably going to use it for birthday cards for my family as well. And yeah, so this is definitely something that can be a great tool for you in your business, or even personally, to help maintain those relationships. That's all I got for you today. I hope you have a great day. Go out, get some real estate, make some deals happen, keep making offers.